to misquote Frank Zappa, who was asked, is jazz dead? He said, it's not dead, it just smells funny. And I think we're in that stage of advertising just smelling a bit funny at the moment. And I think it's down to all of us in this room, all of the stakeholders in this, to reposition trust in what we do, in trust in our ability to deliver messages, to create creative that makes people weep. We've stopped doing that, and it's hard to do it in a banner ad. When was the last time you wept in a banner ad, right? And I think that's a big issue for us. And I think there's a generation of people coming along who stare at the computer and the data and says it's going to give me the creative answer. It just doesn't. And we've been responsible for many, with Ogilvy, many creative campaigns that have won awards. And they didn't come from data. They came from listening to consumers, sitting in a room, drinking too much, and having this brilliant idea. And that's what we run the risk of losing if we don't go back to the listening to consumers and worrying about brands. And brands are the most important thing that we have. Personal brands as individuals, the way we transact with our customers, the brands of the agencies and the media companies that we represent, and marketers, the brands that they're promoting. So I would argue that in the next 5 years, we have a big job to do to restore faith in brands. And that will come from one thing, trust, which comes from two things, truth and transparency. Thank you on behalf of the IAA. It's a great pleasure and honour to be in such great company.